Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some vintage chic country home decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Vintage chic country home decor is a charming blend of vintage elegance and rustic country style. It combines soft romantic elements with time-worn weather details to create a cozy, nostalgic atmosphere. This style often includes distressed furniture, painted and etched wood furniture with a on-in look, floral and tile patterns, soft muted floral prints, gingham or tile fabrics for upholstery, curtains and linens, antique and repurposed items, vintage finds like old trunks, enamelware and repurposed burnt wood. Neutral and pastel colors, soft whites, creams, pastel blues, and splash pinks to create a smoothing ambience. Elegant and rustic mix, crystal candeliers, lace, and delicate porcelain balance with raw wood, metal, and natural textures. Cozy textiles, crochet throws, ruffled bedding, and linen table runners for a warm and inviting feel. Country-inspired accessories, vintage-style dishware, old farmhouse sinks, mason jars, and baskets for practical and decorative storage. Here are some additional tips for achieving a vintage chic country home decor style. Choose a soft and muted color palette. Stick to gentle, time-worn colors like creamy whites, soft grays, and warm beige, pastel blues, pale pinks, and sage greens. Subtle floral or faded patterns on textiles. Use a distressed and antique furniture. Opt for chippy paint and weathered wood finishes. Look for vintage dressers, armwares, and farmhouse tables. Repurpose old furniture with chalk paint for a soft on-in feel. Mix elegance with rustic charm. Pair crystal candeliers with raw wooden beams. Combine delicate lace or linen curtains with rustic burlap accents. Use vintage silverware and enamelware in table settings. Incorporate vintage finds and repurposed items. Antique mirrors ornate picture frames, and old clocks. Vintage baskets for storage and display. Repurposed windows, shutters, or barn doors as wall decor. Add soft and cozy textiles. Layer crochet or knit rows on sofas and beds. Use floral patterned or ruffled pillows for extra charm. Linen or cotton slip covers for furniture for a relaxed vintage look. Display collectibles and heirlooms. Show off antique china or ironstone pictures on open shelves. Vintage teacups, old books, and framed botanical prints. Mason jars and glass closets for displaying small trinkets. Create a warm and inviting ambience. Use candles in brush holders or vintage lanterns. Hang a vase made of dried flowers or lavender. Add soft lighting with fairy lights or wall sconces. Embrace farmhouse and cottage elements. Use open shelving in the kitchen with stacked vintage plates. Install a farmhouse sink or vintage inspired hardware. Decorate with wooden cutting boards, ceramic jugs, and fresh flowers. Layer textures for a cozy feel. Mix soft linens, wool, lace, and burlap to create a lived-in look. Use oven baskets, ruffled curtains, and embroidered tablecloths for added warmth. Layer vintage quilts on beds and sofas to enhance the cozy country charm. Incorporate romantic and vintage lighting, candlelights with crystal or distressed metal for an elegant touch. Wall sconces with candle-style bulbs for soft ambient lighting. Vintage table lamps with floral or lace shades for a cozy glow. Use lanterns and candles in antique holders for extra charm. Bring in natural elements. Display dried flowers, lavender, or eucalyptus in vintage vases. Use wooden furniture, wicker baskets, and stoneware to add rustic charm. Add a touch of greenery with potted herbs or effort to bring life to the space. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching the video.